What is going on, everybody? I'm going to be breaking down my gold trade here. I took two trades. One was on the 22nd, one was this morning. On the 22nd I did win, and then on the today it lost. So I'm going to be going over the technicals, psychology, and everything like that. But before I get into the video, I do want to let you know I have opened a Telegram chat for traders to join, talk about their trade analysis, feature plans for themselves, and just kind of get to know each other. Link is in description. It's totally free. Go ahead and click on it and join. All right, so on the weekly time frame here, we do have a bullish structure. The reason why I do see that is because we do have a break of this area right here. Price came up, closed above, came down, made a rejection here, and move up to the upside. Price is now in the same area right here, and now we can expect a push to the upside. So on the daily time frame here, as you can see, I have a white horizontal line. This is my daily level or zone, if you want to say. In this case, it's going to be a daily support. So as you can see, we have price came down, came up, broke under, broke back above, held as support right here, and I caught a move from this area all the way up to here. So going from the daily time frame to the H4 or the 4 hour, as you can see, we can see price here had a rejection from the downside. This is the first indication that price is no longer having a bearish structure. It has a lot more buying pressure than selling. So after this close, then I go down to the lower time frame. So I did enter this trade off the 30-minute time frame. It was probably the most detailed time frame I can see during the time. H1 didn't close just quite yet. I think it was around 8:30 when I entered, around 8:15. After calculating my lot size and my stop loss and take profit. So as you can see, I entered off of this rejection right here. So as you can see here, we do have rejection in this area. At this time, since it was 8:30, this is New York session, volatility is kicking in. So as soon as I saw this rejection right here and it closed above, I took a position. I put stops all the way down here, give price to move, just more time for it to be in the trade. So in this position here, we are in this trade in drawdown for 11 hours, almost 12 hours. In this time, I was kind of in my head about, it's Asian session, a lot of liquidity grabs, a lot of manipulation in the market. I'm probably going to get stopped out. It didn't move through New York session. So by the time around 7 p.m., it pushed up into profit, and 7:30, it kind of went up to at least a 1-to-1 almost. I had more hope in this trade after that, and then during pre-London, it hit my take profit. So I guess the psychology portion of this trade, I kind of made amends with this trade as I'm like, I took a loss. I was kind of thinking worst case scenario, but knowing my past data and my trading, you always have to let your trades play out. Even if you're in drawdown, even if it's 1 pip away from your stop loss, there's a chance that it can go up. It's the probabilities. If you have a win rate of a 60% or 70%, 6 out of 10 times that trade is either going to hit or miss. So that's a really big psychology key that I've noticed in this trade. Actually talking about 1 pip away, I'm going to be recording another video right after this for my GJ trade that I did take last night, and then it hit my take profit this morning. It was literally just like 1 pip away, from stopping me out, but I caught a 1-to-4, and then I had a second position. I think it was 1-to-3.5, I believe. But that's the gold trade here for the winning one. Moving on to the losing trade. So as you can see, price broke under here. It's consolidating. Price broke above once again. So in my head, market is respecting this level. So looking at here, came down. I had this rejection right here. So I went ahead and took an entry in this area. Looking at the hour time frame, I did enter based off of this rejection. put stops below because I thought I was going to respect this area as I did last time. Price went up around 5 a.m. I think I woke up and I was in a lot of profit, and then as soon as I got up to my desk and turned everything on, price was floating in drawdown. Then volume kicked in and stopped me out. This is one of 3 of my positions last night, and you know, wins outweigh my losses. So overall, I think it was a good trading day, and yeah. All right, so that is my trading breakdown as of today. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Once again, join that Telegram chat. It is free. It'll be down there. Follow me on Instagram, and as well as like and subscribe. Stay blue.